Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
A Rabbit and a Tortoise. Once upon a time in the peaceful meadow, there lived a speedy rabbit named Rosie and a slow but steady tortoise named Timmy. They were the best of friends, despite their differences. One sunny day, Rosie had an idea. "Let's have a race, Timmy," she exclaimed, her ears perking up with excitement. Timmy, being calm and composed, agreed with a wise nod. The race day arrived, and all the animals gathered to watch. The rabbit hopped and leapt ahead, leaving a trail of dust behind. Timmy, on the other hand, moved at a slow and steady pace, not bothered by Rosie's speed. As the race continued, Rosie couldn't resist showing off her agility by doing somersaults and fancy jumps. However, she soon grew tired, while Timmy kept moving forward with determination. In the end, Rosie found herself napping under a tree while Timmy crossed the finish line. The animals cheered for the tortoise, amazed at his steady progress. Rosie woke up and joined the celebration, realizing that speed isn't always the key to success. From that day forward, Rosie and Timmy continued to be best friends, learning that each had their own strengths. And in the meadow, the lesson of the slow and steady tortoise was cherished by all the animals, big and small.